Distinguish between district commission, state commission, national commission. The first point is meaning. I take meaning as a common point and a must point for every distinguish. So the keyword which I have prepared, that is plan mad, it is for the coming points. So we go for point number 1, meaning. District commission. A consumer dispute redressal forum at district level established by state government is known as district commission. State commission. A consumer dispute redressal forum at state level established by state government is known as state commission. National commission. A consumer dispute redressal forum at national level established by central government by notification is known as national commission. Point number 2. President. District commission. A person who is sitting or retired or qualified to be district judge. For state commission, president. A person who is sitting or retired judge of high court shall be appointed by state government as president of state commission. National commission, president. A person who is or has been a judge of Supreme Court shall be appointed by central government by notification is known as president of national commission. Point number 3. Level of operation. District commission. It operates at district level. State commission. It operates at state level. National commission. It operates at national level. Point number 4. Area covered. District commission. It covers particular district. State commission. It covers particular state. National commission. It covers entire country. Point number 5. Nature of complaints. District commission. Only original cases can be entertained which are within the local limits of a district. State commission. It can entertain original cases and also appeals against the order of district forum within the geographical limits of the states. National commission. It can entertain original cases and also the appeals against the order of state commission. Number 6. Monetary jurisdictions. District commission. Where the value of goods or services paid as consideration does not exceed rupees 1 crore. State commission. Where the value of goods or services paid as consideration does exceed rupees 1 crore but doesn't exceed rupees 10 crores. National commission. Where the value of goods or services paid as consideration exceeds rupees 10 crores. Point number 7. Member. District commission. Not less than 2 and not more than such number of members as may be prescribed in consultation with central government. State commission. Not less than 4 and not more than such number of members as may be prescribed in consultation with central government. National commission. Not less than 4 and not more than such number of members as may be prescribed. Point number 8. Appeal. District commission. Appeal against district commission can be made to state commission. State commission. Appeal against state commission can be made to national commission. National commission. Appeal against national commission can be made to the Supreme Court. Point number 9. Duration. District commission. Every member should hold office for a term of 5 years or 65 years of his age, whichever is earlier. State commission. Every member should hold office for a term of 5 years or 67 years of his age, whichever is earlier. National commission. Every member should hold office for a term of 5 years or 67 years of his age, whichever is earlier. Here we have to note that 70 years are for the president.